Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to add plugins to Obsidian to supercharge your note-taking experience. Let's get started. First of all, open your Obsidian app and go to settings. You can find it in the bottom left corner of your screen. In settings, click on community plugins in the left-hand menu. Now click browse to open the plugin library. Here you can search for any plugin you want. Once you find one you like, click install and then enable to start using it. Some plugins have extra settings. You can find this by going to the plugins settings under the community plugins action. And that's it. Adding plugins to Obsidian is super easy and unlocks tons of powerful features. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Obsidian tips. Thanks for watching.